Thank you for joining us for our weekly business report. Each week, the Iowa Association of Business and Industry releases these reports to bring you the latest business and industry news as well as association news. This week, we have Brat Hartkopf and JD Davis from our ABI public policy team to show you what's happening at the Capitol and to talk to you about the latest statewide news as it relates to federal unemployment benefits.
Well, hello everybody. I'm Brat Hartkopf, the Director of Public Policy for the Iowa Association of Business and Industry. Here with me is JD Davis, who's our Vice President of Public Policy, and we're pleased to provide an update for you on happenings at the Capitol and also the Governor's recent announcement that Iowa would be ending its participation in the federal unemployment benefits.
This week was a down week as far as the public perception of what's going on at the Capitol, although we do know that members of the House and the Senate are working very hard to see if they can bridge the gap on final legislation that will get the legislature to wrap up its business and end for the year.
We're excited to be going back to the Capitol and working hard to accomplish ABI priorities for members, and we're in overtime, as JD talked about, and so we'll continue to advocate on behalf of our members and ensure that their priorities are accomplished this year.
In public policy, the biggest announcement this week was the governor putting Iowa on the list of several states that have said that they will return the federal additional unemployment benefits that have been used in Iowa since the beginning of the pandemic and the passage of the CARES Act in 2020.
This is something that ABI is very supportive of. As JD talked about, a number of states have done this. Iowa has one of the lowest unemployment rates in the country at 3.7%. We currently have more jobs available than people unemployed, and so we applaud Governor Reynolds for making the decision that she did, and we are glad to support her in this effort.
Yeah. We also want to make clear that this does not affect the unemployment benefits that are available to Iowans that find themselves without work through no fault of their own under the normal state-based employer-funded unemployment system, which ranks very near the top in the nation in the amount of benefits provided each week for those that find themselves in need due to loss of work without the fault of their own.
Unemployment insurance reform is our top priority this year, and as the session looks to wind down over the next few weeks, we will be working hard to ensure that we get this priority past the legislature and on the governor's desk for his signature.
Yeah, we hope in total, all taken together, that this will help us materially with the worker shortage that our members experience. This was our experience prior to the pandemic, and it is also our experience coming out. We continue to work on those same issues that surround getting workers to the workforce. So those are child care, housing, the levels of unemployment that have been provided is now changed with the act of the governor. So we really hope that these issues will help find a more available workforce for our members.
If you have any more comments or questions about our public policy efforts, please be sure to contact JD Davis or myself, Brat Hartkopf. You have our email addresses or our phone numbers, so please don't hesitate to reach out to us about any questions you may have.